Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. And on this video, we are going to compare it with the latest fitness tracker from Huawei, the Huawei Band 9. And as you can see here, both wearable is in the 9 series category. On this video, we are going to compare its design, the specs, as well as the offered features. We are going to check the menus, the sports function, as well as the health section of the 9 Active and the Band 9 for the Huawei fitness tracker. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, okay, this fitness tracker, Smartband, not smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Support our channel, Smartwatch Specifications. Okay? Alright, so let's start and explore the comparison of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active and the other one, the Huawei Band 9. Okay. So let's check first the packaging here. So we have the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, Huawei Band 9. Do we have some details here for the specs? Yes, we do have it here. That's good, we can compare. So we have here the specifications. 8.99mm ultra thin design. Only the features here. We have the specs. Okay, so we don't have the exact specs for our Huawei Band 9, but we do have some features. I'm just going to state here, going to add the specs here for both wearable. All day blood oxygen monitoring, we also have it here. We also have a continuous heart rate monitoring and 100 workout modes, 50 sports mode for our Band 9 Active, 5 ATM water resistant. I guess it is also the same here with our Huawei Band 9. Compatible with Android and iOS with sleep tracking. Yes, we also have it here. But I don't think that we do have an automatic adjustable brightness. Okay, so here in our Smartband 9 Active, you have to do it manually for the brightness. Okay, for the screen display, I'm going to list it here on this video. I'm going to state the screen display. So before we explore on the wearable, we have here the specs comparison of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active and the Huawei Band 9. Check it out. Okay. Alright, so now that we have an idea about its specifications, let's explore the two fitness tracker. Both do have a rectangular body frame, metal frame for our Huawei Band 9 with a premium AMOLED screen display, TFT LCD for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Wide screen display, brightness is also good. We don't have any physical buttons here. We do have for our Huawei Band 9 interchangeable strap here. Just press and you can replace the strap. For our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, just press this one and you can remove the whole body of our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Okay, it's a unique design, but I prefer the Huawei Band 9 when it comes to the strap option. At the back, okay, plastic cover with a pogo pin, magnetic charging cable, USB Type A, flexible silicone strap, durable flexible silicone strap. For the weight, let's check. So we have a weighing scale. Let's go first with our Huawei Band 9. So it is around 30 grams. For the Smartband 9 Active, 29.70. Again, 29.72. Just the same. the same weight. How about that? Okay, did not expect that. They almost have the same weight. Okay, very good so far. Then let's go for the different menus and features of both wearable. Okay, so let's check on the UI. Again, this is the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and we have the Huawei Band 9. On top, we have the settings here, notifications on the bottom part. We have the menus and features. On the left side, we have the settings. Okay, so different style for the UI. For the Huawei Band 9, on the bottom part, we have the notifications. For our Smartband 9 Active, it's on top. Okay, different cards. Let's see. Different cards also. But I like the UI here of the Huawei Band 9. Okay. To access the main menu, swipe up, press the power button here. So we have the workout. Again, for the workout here for our Huawei Band 9, we do have 100 workout modes. For our Smartband 9 Active, we do have 50 sports modes. Again, let's check. We have workout. We also have history here, automatic activity tracking. We have the heart rate, activity record. Let's check. The same style for the icon here. Agree. Different style of monitoring. Okay, different animation. SpO2. We have the stress monitoring also here. We have the breathing guide, notifications, music control. Also have it here. Music. Yes, with volume adjustment also. The same style. Remote camera, calendar, alarm, stopwatch. We have the timer here. We have the flashlight, find phone, and the settings. For the settings, we have the watch face, custom cards, brightness adjustment, vibration, do not disturb, sleep mode, pin code, notification options. We also have here a payment, GPS, what else, and other options. As you can see here, more options for our Huawei Band 9 compared to our affordable Xiaomi Smart Band 9. But still, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 do have a good options. Do have some good features. Again, here are the details. Let's check on the workout. Do they have the same metrics? Workout. Agree. Outdoor running. Let's see. No built-in GPS. Only connected GPS. In our Huawei Band 9, there's a built-in GPS. Both track, okay, a lot of metrics, but I like the Huawei Band 9 here. There's more details or information on your workout compared to our Huawei Band 9 Active. And okay, for the sports function, obviously the Huawei Band 9 will have more information or more metrics it covers. And of course, I like the fitness tracker with a physical button. Very easy to navigate compared to a fitness tracker without a physical button. For the screen display, I think it's just the same with a Huawei Band 9, a bit sharper. But for me, I think it's okay for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. It's easy also to swipe, smooth transition. Okay. So that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active compared with our Huawei Band 9. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, drop a comment below. If you have any requests, you also drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!